Good morning, and let's see if I can get this to clear up for us here. Okay, we're going to be doing chapter 7. Maybe if I turn on the light, it'll make a difference. Chapter 7, lesson 3, write numerical expressions. The key to this lesson is just really paying attention to the words and understanding what the words are telling you. So on page 493, so we're on page 493 here, it says, Terrell went to dinner with his friends and ordered 3 tacos. Each taco cost $2, and he has a coupon for $1 off his purchase. The total cost in dollars of Terrell's purchase is represented by the phrase, multiply 3 by 2, then subtract 1. Write the total cost as a numerical expression. So we know that he had, so it's multiply, it says multiply 3 by 2, then subtract 1. And it's multiply 3 by 2 because he had 3 tacos at $2 each. Then subtract 1 is the coupon. So we need to write this into a numerical expression. So what I want to do is take this first part here, multiply 3 by 2, and so I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to multiply 3 by 2, then subtract 1. Me personally, I would put parentheses around here. The book doesn't necessarily show you parentheses there because multiplication is going to come before subtraction anyway, but I like to do it just to show that those are the 3 tacos that costed $2 a piece. So in my eyes, those parentheses need to be there, but it is not absolutely necessary because multiplication comes before subtraction in your order of operations anyway, so you would end up doing this first anyway. And so then we have, that's it, that's our expression. On the next example on page 494, it says a ticket to a baseball game costs $25 and popcorn is $8. 3 friends bought tickets and a popcorn. The expression below gives the cost for 1 friend and for 3 friends. Compare the 2 expressions without evaluating them. So for 1 friend, we had $25 for the ticket plus $8 for the popcorn. This is for 1 friend. And for 3 friends, we write it as 25 plus 8, because that's how much they spent, times 3. Now on this one, you absolutely have to have the parentheses because 25 plus 8 is what each person spent, and then each person spent that total amount 3 times. You absolutely have to have them here because in order of operations, without them, you would do 8 times 3 first, and that's not what that is not the situation of this particular problem. So what's the difference here? Well, they both have the cost of a ticket and a popcorn. The difference is this one will be more expensive, right? Because it's for 3 people doing that, and this one is just for 1. Okay, so I want to talk about a couple that might trick you up. So these are not from the book, these are just from me. So you might see the expression subtract 7 from 12, then multiply by 5. So a mistake that so many students make is they see subtract and they see numbers and they just write it in order. They do this, 7 minus 12 times 5. First off, we are not working yet with negative numbers, so we cannot do this one, right? We have to have that bigger number first. And if I read the words, it says subtract 7 from 12, which means there's 12 and I'm taking 7 from it. It's like if I said, take the ball from Johnny, you would go to Johnny and take the ball. If I say subtract 7 from 12, you're going to go to 12 and take the 7. And so this is written backwards. So it really is 12 minus 7, and I have to put parentheses there because order of operations, I would multiply first if I don't put those parentheses, and then multiply my final answer times 5. So this is one that many students confuse and they write that backwards. And so I just wanted to show you that one. So that's all I have for you this morning, and I hope that that helps you with this lesson. Thank you. Have a good day.